everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and all the weird stuff in between. So if you are interested, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell to be a part of Tashian family. Now I try and post new stuff almost every week, but if I do miss, do know that I am working on something probably bigger and better. Anyways, enough blabbering. Let's get on with this video. Today, we are unboxing and reviewing one of the most highly sold Amazon #1 best-selling nail drill set. It has been reviewed as the most compact nail driller, so I had to try it. It also almost had 1,000 positive reviews, which is why we are going to bring it to the test today. I have lately been doing my gel nails at home and this seemed to be a great addition, especially to save on all that time spent filing. Since I have my gel nails on, we will also work on cleaning them up and shaping them in order to make them look a little bit more professional. If you want to know how and what I use to create these gel nails, then don't forget to subscribe below because I will be bringing out another video pretty much soon, so you will be notified. Now from the cost perspective, the nail drill set was a great idea as it only costs about $20 to $30. I will leave a link in the description box down below if you want to judge it for yourself. Now having said all that, let's bring the bad boy out and see all its features. Now here it is. It does look very compact in terms of the size, and it's almost the size of my hand, and probably the driller is even smaller. So let's open this up and read the features as well as the specifics. Actually, we have the features on the box, so just let's read through them. It is speed adjustable. It has the forward and reverse two-way switch, which is great. It's quiet and safe, and we'll have to see about that. It has low heat. And it has an efficient heat dissipation, but we'll see about that and how hot the body does actually get. And it is fashionable and portable. It has a light design, easy to operate, and you can change the bits as well. Now I know for a fact the bits also come along with the box and the body of the nail driller, so let's open that up. So once I open the box here, I actually get to the user manual, which is very helpful, but I'm going to ignore that for now. And here is the nail driller, if you can actually see. It's very small, it's very portable, very light as well. I didn't expect it to be light enough for this. And it comes in a very nice gold or rose gold color. I agree that it's portable. I think it can also fit in my pocket, but more so in my purse, and I can carry it around if you are one of those who likes to file on the go. Oh wait, I'm actually missing. This is probably not as portable. I'm not going to be carrying the charging cable all along. So we'll see about that. So other than the body of the actual nail driller, we also get a manicure set, and we also get the original nail drill bits. So these are pretty much helpful because you don't have to go and buy them separately. So that's useful. We also get a few carbide nail drill bits, and this is specifically helpful for getting that flawless finish on the top of the nail and not so much to the edge of the nail. Now let's just look closely into this, and you'll see that we have all different shapes of the drill bits here, with the cylindrical, needle, conical and bullet heads, and a few sanding pads as well, which are on the top. Now looking into the carbide nail drill bit set, or I'm so confused, it does have a lot of drill bits with different grits, so you can go anywhere from extra coarse to very smooth drill bits, specifically for your nail top, like I was mentioning previously. And other than that, you also have a few more sanding pads, so that's great because there aren't ever enough. And we also have the charger, which is probably the most useful thing. It does have a US or Canadian charging point if you look closely. Now let's look into the manicure set. Let's just open this up. So it comes in this pink pouch, which has 2 nail clippers, one with the slanted edge, 1 nail filer, 1 dead skin fork, 1 peeling knife, and a small pair of scissors here. So that looks pretty compact in itself, which is great to have if you don't have one already. Now enough of chatting, let's just get into the different nail drill bits that we have here. Now that we're all plugged in, let's just start and see if this thing really works. I forgot to mention, you also have this little adapter here. It has a speed control, which is a roller, and it also has this forward and backward switch, which we will try out once we get the nail bits in. Now I am using the bullet head because I want to be able to file my nail edges, and this is the most convenient head to start with if you are just starting out. Let's just plug this in and see how far that goes in. Okay, that's pretty deep. So I'm going to push it to forward, and that was quick. It doesn't move around too much, which is great, and it is very fast, so you won't be able to see whether it's really working, but it has a very light sound. Now as an example, I'm only going to be working on my thumbnail. As you can see, I do need a lot of filing there, and the edges are very rugged, but we'll work on that and we'll try and see if this product stands up to the name. Now while you're working on it, you will notice that a lot of the acrylic gel or the poly gel starts to fly off. So be very careful that it doesn't go in your eyes or your mouth or just your nose, because you'll start to cough up. And be very careful when you first start with it. Go with the slightest touch and then deepen it as you move closer to your acrylic nail. Be very mindful that you do not touch your actual nail, because you don't want to be filing into your nail or your skin. Now as you can see, anybody starting out with an electric new nail driller would be very happy to see this result as compared to a manual driller, which is why I'm just going to clean this up and see if we've got the shape right, and then we can start working with the carbide drill bits. The best way to clean up your nail after you've already drilled them is with an alcohol-free nail polish remover pad, and I'm just going to slowly clean up my nail. Once you have that cleaned up, you will see that the shape is fine. We've got the little bit of a square shape that we wanted, and we've also removed all the extra that we had on the beginning of the nail. For the edge of the nail, we are going to be working with a carbide nail drill bit, mainly because it's the most comfortable to use on your skin and it does not spoil or roughen up the skin there. Now I'm going to put in the carbide drill bit. Once that is in, we have the carbide drill bit here, and we're going to work around with it. You can also use this carbide drill bit to polish up your nail. Let's clean this up again. And we now realize that the nail looks much neater, and it looks as if it's part of the actual nail and not really a fake nail. The best thing about any nail driller, and specifically an electric nail driller, is that you can also clean up under your nail if you do your nails yourself. It helps to actually eliminate any excess acrylic or polygel under your nail. Now that we're at it, let's also try out this polishing drill bit, because I'm very excited to see if it really makes a difference. Now looking at the nail itself, it seems to have polished it really well, which is great because I don't think we can really do it with the manual filing. But let me just clean this up again and let me get back to you. Now here is a close-up of how my nails originally look like. Now after we have finished the drilling, here is the final look. They look much neater and they're lesser on the skin and more on the nail, which makes sense for acrylic. And for anybody who's actually doing their acrylic at home, I think this one is a great addition to your everyday nails. After the unboxing and review, here are my final thoughts. This little baby is a great addition for anyone who wants to do their nails at home professionally. It does work and is a complete set, basically because it also comes with your nail drill bits and the manicure set. Now if you were doing this yourself, be wary that it does heat up a little bit, but not so much so that it would be bothersome. It does seem value for money for the 20-30 bucks that you're spending. It is convenient and also does not make too much of a sound. So all in all, it seems that this one has passed the little test. This was real fun, but that is all for this video. But if you want to see another video or anything specific that you'd want me to review, let me know in the comment section below and I will as always oblige. But until next time, you take care, love yourself and keep on filing. Bye!